Assalamu alaikum to everyone. We are back again with after the Diwali vacation. We are back again with the studies. Now we are going to start with the second unit, chapter 18. Since we have completed chapter 17, poem 17 was done by Ranila Miss. Now we are going to do the chapter 18. Okay, Weeds in the Garden. It's a very interesting story. Before starting this chapter, I would like to say something about this story. The story Weeds in the Garden tries to bring out the importance of correcting children and implementing good habit at the right time. So let's see the introduction of this chapter. Weeds in the Garden. Introduction. Now, see, most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot include their kids or when they have to scold them, and when even a scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. In this lesson, we are going to see the same and how parents tackle this situation. This story is about children, how their children don't listen to their parents, and after the parent try that the children should improve themselves, but then too they don't improve, and the parents are very unhappy with them, and they want the child should be improved. So how to improve their child? See, we will see in this chapter. Okay. Explanation. Anshuman's parents have noticed that he was developing some bad habit. You can see the day-to-day life. There are many parents are very upset, worried about their child if the childs are going in a bad habit, bad direction. So here you can see the picture. This is the Anshuman's parent, mom and dad. अंशुमन्स पेरेंट हैव नोटिस दैट ही वॉज डेवलपिंग, बहुत सारी उसकी बुरी आदतें उसमें आ रही थी, तो उसके पेरेंट्स बहुत नोटिस कर रहे थे ये सब चीज़ें. सी हाउ हिज फादर इज टेलिंग. Naturally, they began to warn him from time to time, but all in vain. There was warning. Obviously, you can see in your family also, if your brother or sister is going in some of the bad habits, parents notice and they warn. प्यार से समझाते कि बच्चा मान जाए, सुधर जाए, समझ जाए. Even in the same case in this story, Anshuman's parents were naturally, they were warning him that he will improve his time, but all in vain. Vain means without success. See how his mother is telling. Anshuman did not listen to them. Gentle words, a scolding now and then. He was not listening. Even in your family, you will see your parents are scolding your brother and sister. बस हम सुनते हैं, but हम उनकी बातों पे गौर नहीं करते. How the parents scold. The same thing, Anshuman's parents were scolding him with a gentle words. You can see in the picture. Strict warning, his parents tried their level best, except beating as they never believed in it. They were giving many of the warnings to him. For whom? Anshuman. They tried the best कि हमारा बच्चा सुधर जाए, except beating. Everything they did, as they never believed in it. They also wanted to be gentle and loving while correcting him. They were saying that my child is going in a wrong, bad habits. So they want that my child should improve. So they were always wanted to be gentle and loving. अगर कोई इंसान गलत राह पर चल रहा है तो उसको प्यार से इसको हमें समझाना चाहिए, उसको उस ट्रैक पे लाना चाहिए अच्छी तरह, नहीं कि मार के या कुछ इस तरह के अल्फाज बोल के. So With love and care, they want to correct him. For whom? Anshuman. You can see in the picture. Soon that opportunity presented itself. You can see in the picture. Anshuman went to his grandfather's farm with his parent. Who went to the grandfather's farm? Anshuman and with his parent. You can see in the picture. You can see the picture of the farmhouse. Whose farmhouse it was? Grandfather. And here he got the opportunity. Early morning his father took him for a walk. You can see that early morning where his father took him for the walk. He was describing the specialties of different plants, wine and bushes. He was describing, obviously when you go somewhere with your parents, so your father, your mother describe you what is it. For example, you go for the fort, तो आपके parents बताएंगे किस चीज़ का है, कहाँ का है, कब है, कैसा है. तो इसी तरह he went with his father to the farmhouse. In the early morning when he went, her father was describing about the different plant, wine and bushes. Suddenly they stopped near a small seedling growing near the plant. Suddenly they stopped. You can see the where they stopped, the small seedling growing near the plant. He asked Anshuman to pull that out. He told to pull. Who told to pull that out? Anshuman father. He did that very easily, for which he got praise from his father. He did that very easily and he got the praise. Praise means what? From whom he got the praise? From his father. You can see. They walked a little distance and saw the same weed but little bigger. They was walking and with a little distance they saw a weed but little bigger. See, it was little bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull that out. Again he told to pull that out. Who told? Anshuman's father. Making sure that no trace of the roots should be left in the soil. He told that with the no trace the roots should be left in the soil. Otherwise the weed would grow again. His father told, if you will not pull properly, so the weed would grow again. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully. Very nicely and carefully he uprooted the plant. You can see in the picture. Twisted that and pulled that hard so. He pulled very hardly so that the whole of the weed came out. The whole weed came out. Then father drew his attention to the same weed. Then his father had drawn the attention to the same weed. You can see in the picture. Which was a big plant with tiny flower and dark fruit. His father told which was the... Anshuman held the plant and gave that a tug, pulled that harder and harder, but that no avail. Avail means of no use. He had pulled the plant, but it was of no use. Avail means of no use. You can see in the picture. The father brought some tools. You can see the instrument. They dug around the weed and with great effort pulled them out. With a great effort, with मेहनत से उन्होंने क्या कि वो बाहर निकल आए. The father, while returning home, father mentioned that habits are like the weeds. Then he told some of the habits are like the weeds. The longer one allowed them to grow. The starting में जो आया था, you can see in the plant. It was to grow. The harder it became up to the uproot them. It is why to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. What is the meaning of read? To escape from. Meaning, in vain, without success. To get a hold over, to catch. To get rid of, to escape from. Draw one's attention, make someone notice. To no avail, of no use. Include, allow someone to do or have what they want. Tackle, try to deal with a difficult task. So with this you can see that Anshuman realized his mistake and became a changed person. I hope students you have understood this chapter. You will get the notes of this chapter also. Okay. Summary. As I told you that Anshuman realized his mistake and became a changed person. So Anshuman realized the truth in his father's word. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father. I hope students you have understood this chapter. Allah Hafiz, take care.